Kia Sportage QL. Trip models. Trip meter. The trip meter is the total driving distance since the last trip meter is set. Distance range. From 0.0 to 9,999.9 miles or kilometers. To reset the trip meter, press the OK button, reset, on the steering wheel for more than 1 second when the trip meter is displayed. Average vehicle speed. The average vehicle speed is calculated by the total driving distance and driving time since the last average vehicle speed reset. Speed range. From 0 to 160 miles per hour or from 0 to 240 kilometers per hour. To reset the average vehicle speed, press the OK button, reset, on the steering wheel for more than 1 second when the average vehicle speed is displayed. Notice: the average vehicle speed is not displayed if the driving distance is less than 0.03 miles, 50 meters, or the driving time is less than 10 seconds since the ignition switch or engine start/stop button is turned on. Even if the vehicle is not in motion, the average vehicle speed keeps going while the engine is running. Elapsed time. The elapsed time is the total driving time since the last elapsed time reset. Time range. Hours to minutes. From 0000 to 99:59. To reset elapsed time, press the OK button, reset, on the steering wheel for more than 1 second when the elapsed time is displayed. Notice: even if the vehicle is not in motion, the elapsed time keeps going while the engine is running.